Ready? Welcome to another episode of Tiny Kitchen Cooking with Ann. Today, I'm gonna try something I haven't made before. I saw my friend Eddie post this. I'm tired. He posted this on his Facebook. It's called moo tod Shanghai, which is like fried pork, northern style. And I found this recipe online, so I'm gonna try it for the first time. But I had it before in Thailand, I think, and it's good. So first we're gonna marinate the pork, and you cut it into about this big. If you like it soft, you have to use the neck or the breast part that's softer. And okay, this is like a pound?
£1.5 pounds, 2 pounds maybe. It's quite a bit.
Oops. I'm gonna marinate it with garlic, white pepper corn. Do they call that? I bought this. That's the you probably can find it here anywhere. But sometimes when I ask my friends at their house if they have white pepper, I was like, ooh, fancy. It's like, no, in Thailand we don't. Black pepper is fancy. White pepper is normal. Okay. And they call it for the recipe called for coriander seed, but I'm gonna use the powder kind. Should be the same. So and we're supposed to have coriander root, but they don't sell it here, so we just use the stem. So garlic, I use about 20 big cloves. If you like it spicy, put as much as you want, because the white pepper is kind of spicy. And maybe a tablespoon of coriander stem. So I'm gonna if you have a blender, you can just use a blender, but I like this better because the juice coming out, the blender just cut it. And in the pork, I put fish sauce, a little bit of sugar, MSG, of course. If you don't want it, don't use it. And this is something called roti. You don't have to use it because it's not that easy to find here. So it's like, how you call it? Like chicken broth, chicken bouillon. Yeah. If you use, you can just use that from the cube or whatever kind you have here. But I think this have more taste in it. What is it in here? Let me see. Let's tear the English part off. Okay. It said it's monosodium glutamate, which is MSG. It has maltodextrin. No idea what that is. It has sugar and herbs, chicken, powdered chicken, oil, and a bunch of things.
It's basically bouillon.
Yeah, it is probably. But if you don't have it, fine. Yeah, even though I haven't made it, but this is similar to any kind of marinated meat that we do in Thailand, huh? So it's not that much of a risk.
And so that you've already marinated the pork. It's in there.
Not
now?
yet.
Oh.
I mean, I put everything in there already.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna put this in there. Coriander seed smell is strong, so depend how much you like it, and don't use too much of it. I don't think people like that much. So we're gonna marinate this for 1 hour, and then we're gonna deep fry them. I can say deep fry this time, right? Deep fry.
I don't know. Can you say deep fry?
When I'm tired, I can't pronounce shit. I'm telling you. Like, I just come back from a 5-day trip, and like every time I make an announcement on the plane, I'd be like, blah, blah. I think the passenger was laughing at me today because I was like, momentarily. Feel free to use the mobile devices. What the hell is feel free? Okay, I think. You know what? Some Thai people, they even like taste it when it's raw. But I know. I do it if it's watery. Like when I marinate the pork, grilled pork, I taste, you saw me, I taste that. But like this is no water, no nothing to taste. So later on, we're gonna need some kind of flour. I don't remember what it is. I have to look at the recipe. Thank you, Eddie, for inspiring this. See you in an hour. So the recipe said put some flour in there. Let's see. More? A little bit, okay. Are you sure it's okay? I burn my lips. I think that's good. This is sticky rice we found at Uwajimaya. Don't have to go to Thai store. Glutinous rice. Don't buy the Japanese one. I don't know if this. I don't know if this is. But the Japanese one is the cow roast. That's not right. Yeah. So we soak this for like 2-3 hours, and then I use this with the water. And sometime halfway, you normally use the, how you call that, the sheet that we use. Remember your mom has it, but I don't have it, so I'm just doing that. So you have to like have to turn it a little bit. And then put it back on. Okay, let's see if it's hot enough already. Wanna come here? Ooh, hot enough. And depend on what you like. If you like it to be soft in the middle, you turn the water, turn the heat really high, and then you fry them quick. But if you want it all the way crispy, you turn it a bit low and fry them longer. Let's see how it turned out. I think it's gonna be good. Okay, ready? Okay, I think that's enough. Look good, huh? Smell good too. Woohoo! I think this one's gonna be soft inside. But I think like when I see what they make, the cut is smaller and it's really crispy. But I don't like when it's totally crispy, then you just taste nothing. That's garlic. That's good. Let's taste that. So good. It's good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Man, that's good. Oh, I keep forgetting. Sticky rice is done. Yeah, and if you serve some chili dip or whatever on the side, that'd be great. But I don't think anybody eat anything like that. I mean, people eat this for breakfast, right? That's it. New recipe. Thank you to Eddie. Are so good. Hi. Oh. Don't forget to like and share on YouTube and our Facebook page, Mr. Blue Event Chef, Instagram, all those jazz, all that jazz. Bye. You do that again. This throw me off. Naked bread? The hell?